So unfortunately, in this box is one of my drones. So let's just put this aside and I'll just explain. So this shelf now is looking pretty bare. You know, one of these drones has been replaced by a plant. And before you think I'm going crazy or I've lost the plot completely, there is a reason for this. Now, I'll get straight to the point. The drone I have sold is the DJI Air 2S. So I've still got this one. So at the moment, this is the only drone, the only DJI drone that I've got in this house. Now, why? So this is a calculated gamble. So at the moment, the DJI Air 2S is my favorite drone to fly. I absolutely love it. I didn't when it first came out, but as firmware updates have come out, as it's improved, it's my favorite one by a long stretch. The Mini 2, yeah, it's great, but you soon want more. And with that DJI Air 2S, it gives me the options to have active track, some obstacle avoidance when I might need it. That 5.4K camera, that boost, it looks fantastic. These clips here, I took it to Cornwall, St Ives, was all filmed on the DJI Air 2S. A lot of the footage was, you know, it's absolutely stunning, that quality. And when we've seen this Mavic 3 rumours coming out about the prices of it, when the DJI Air 2S came out, that was really expensive for a lot of people, and it's become more of a decent price point for a really good drone, and it still is. So in that case, why on earth am I selling it? And that's something I've been considering a lot, going back and forth, but I'm going to make that decision, and it's going today. And you can probably guess the reason why is that DJI Mavic 3. Now, I've just got some hope, and it's a calculated gamble, that the DJI Mavic 3 won't be as expensive as all these rumours are suggesting. It could be, but at the moment, nobody actually knows. We don't know. Rumours sites don't know. The Twitter leakers don't know. The people who've even got this drone probably in the house don't know. Up to like literally the last week, prices can change. So I hope, fingers crossed, that DJI will have seen all these leaks, because he will have done, and rumour sites and videos and films on YouTube, and may have just seen the pretty much outcry and the two different ranges of people of like, I'm never going to buy this because, you know, I'm going to have to sell literally my house to buy this, or then it's just for pros. But the DJI Mavic Pro 1 and the DJI Mavic Pro 2 was a consumer and a pro drone. So why is this any different? The only reason this is any different is because of that price it's been knocked about. So what I would like to see to keep it as that consumer stroke pro pricing will be 1,600, 2,000, 2,200 for the Fly More, and then 3,000 or more for the Cine Premium model. And that could be then, if you're a pro and you need that, you need the high download speeds, you want that smart controller, you want the best of the best, you want the internal storage, yeah, you're pretty much going to be using this for commercials and pro work where you're making a lot of money, so you can justify the price. So yeah, 3,000 upwards on that, fine. But have some set prices for consumers also who want to spend some decent money but to get the best possible drone. And that's what the Mavic line always has been. No one's ever come out before and said that the Mavic is just for pros, because, you know, a couple of years back I had the Mavic and I wasn't a pro. I'm sure you've got a pro drone and you're not a pro. So the whole pro stigma, you know, it's gone. Have you got an iPhone Pro? Have you got an iPad Pro? Are you a professional, or are you just sat at home watching Netflix on it? The whole stigma of that word pro needs to just go away, but the pricing is what makes it an actual, oh yeah, it's a pro drone. So anyway, back to the actual point of this video. So the reason why I've sold my DJI Air 2S is the gamble I've taken. This Mavic Pro is meant to be released in the UK and US, around the world, in a couple of weeks. So as soon as that's released, the DJI Air 2S naturally will lose value, because at the moment that's the most popular and kind of mid-price drone. The Pro 2 has been out for years, so the Air 2S will lose some value. So I'm taking the gamble of, if I want a bigger drone, so I want the Air 2S and the Mavic 3, can't really justify to have both. I just want one. So I love the Air 2S because of all the reasons I said at the start, but I also wanted just a little bit more. I wanted side sensors on it. I wanted in some situations of low light to be just a tad better, and I just wanted a bit more control over that camera, being able to adjust the aperture, maybe a slightly wider lens, so a little bit more, and that's what the Mavic 3 will bring me. So I don't need both. Sure, it'd be great for comparisons, yes, but at the moment, the DJI Air 2S is going, because that money, which I've got pretty much the same amount of money that I bought it for, can then be put towards the DJI Mavic 3. That drone, although expensive, should then bring me everything that I want in a big drone. So that's going to give me all the flying performance, the camera quality, and that experience, and hopefully nothing lacking. So for me, it's a tactical one. It might fail, but until we actually know these prices, if the price isn't that bad, yeah, the DJI S2S will be coming back and I can be comparing it. And you know what, I was thinking this, if you've got a $2,000 or $3,000 drone, there's going to be some circumstances, and I'm pretty reckless, where you might think about flying it because you're so worried about crashing the thing. I mean, me and the other guy was just having a conversation about how much this would cost if you actually do crash it. How much is this DJI Care going to cost? It's going to be expensive. So sometimes where, you might decide to fly under bridges and things like someone might like doing, but that's going to be pretty risky with the DJI Mavic 3. So that situation, I would like to have a DJI Air 2S for those more riskier moments. So I hope it pays off. It's a tactical one. I don't know whether I suggest it to you, because that Mavic 3, although it's going to be awesome, we just don't know. So if you've got a DJI Air 2S, you have a fantastic drone. But if you're like me and you just want a little bit more, it could be a good time to sell this and take that gamble. And if the Mavic 3 comes out and the prices are insane, just go and buy the DJI Air 2S again and just keep that and just forget the 3 until it comes down in price. But at the moment, I'm hoping that my gamble pays off. We'll see in a couple of weeks anyway. But for now, that shelf's pretty bare. It's a DJI Mini 2 and a plant. So more to come, more drones are on way, so it's going to be exciting times, but a tactical one by Darren today. Take care, have a great day, see you soon, bye bye.